What is going on, YouTube? This is THT coming at you with another live update here on HCMC. It is still currently market hours, so I want to give you guys a technical analysis on where I see the stock going in the near future, as well as an overall perspective on what I see in this company right now. So, as you guys can see, on February 8th, HCMC filed the Form 8K. The stock ended up skyrocketing 100% on February 8th. And for those of you that don't know what a Form 8K is, a Form 8K is a report of an unscheduled material events or corporate changes at a company that could be in the importance of the shareholders or the SEC. So diving deeper into the SEC filing of the Form 8K for HCMC, we can see here that on February 7th, HCMC entered into a securities purchase agreement, pursuant to which the company sold and issued 5,000 shares of its Series D convertible preferred stock to an institutional investor for $1,000 per share, or an aggregate subscription of $5 million, subject to a customary 10% beneficial ownership limitation blocker. The preferred stock is currently convertible into 2 billion shares of the company's common stock at a conversion price of 0.0024 per share. Guys, this is huge news. An institutional investor came in heavy. They bought $5 million worth, 2 billion shares. They can't sell for a couple months. That's how institutional investing works. They're not retail investors. They can't come in, buy, and sell same day. So that is big news. As of today, earnings are coming out today. I don't know if it'll be reported, so that's definitely something to keep your eye on. And like I mentioned earlier, I definitely want to dive into the technical analysis on where I see HCMC going in the near future, as well as how I plan on playing HCMC, long term. So as you guys can see, on February 8th, this thing absolutely took off. The institutional investor came in, bought his 2 billion shares, and now we'll be holding for at least 6 months. And we hit a peak of 0.0064. We bounced off, and we've been consolidating between 0.0064 and 0.004. And as you guys can see here, we're looking at the 15-minute chart. We have support at 0.004 pretty strong. As we bounced there, we bounced here, and as of today, we bounced again. So definitely some strong support. I see us in the triangle right now. At open today, we opened above my triangle, so I thought we were going to have a good day. We didn't, but we did hit support nice, so something I'm definitely liking from what I'm seeing at the moment. As you guys can see, we're coming to the close of this triangle. We could either break out, or we're going to keep consolidating until the 26th, until some crazy news comes out. So I do have a price target of about 0.01 in the near future. Something to keep your eyes on, guys. I do want to mention I'm not a financial advisor, and I do hope you guys do your own DD. So I'm excited about this stock. I plan on holding it long term. Like Warren Buffett's always said, if you don't plan on holding a stock for more than 1 year, why are you buying it in the first place? So I'm excited about this, guys. If you guys enjoyed the content, please like and subscribe. I plan on giving you guys daily updates on stocks, options, crypto, all that. So peace and love, baby. Until next time.